National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for central Spokane County until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the public reported flash flooding from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Interstate 90 through Spokane exit 283B. The exit is underwater and blocking traffic. Flooding is also possible in surrounding locations. 6 inches of standing water has been reported at the Frey exit. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Dishman, Trentwood, and Millwood. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Spokane County, Washington. The 3 p.m. observations for the local